Ever wondered what the path to financial abundance looks like? It's not as elusive as it may seem. Today, we'll journey through the 5 stages of financial growth, from stability all the way up to abundance. The first step on this journey is achieving financial stability. This stage is all about having enough money to cover monthly expenses and still having a little left over. It's about taking control of your money, budgeting wisely, and living within your means. At this stage, saving becomes a priority. It might seem like a small step, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Next, we ascend to the plateau of financial security. Here, not only are you able to save money after meeting your monthly expenses, but you also have the capacity to invest. This could be in stocks, bonds, or any other form of investment that suits your risk profile. The goal here is to make your money work for you, rather than the other way around. The halfway mark on our journey is financial flexibility. At this point, you've built up enough financial assets or investments that could cover your living expenses for up to a year, should you need it. This stage provides a safety net, allowing you to take calculated risks, whether in your career or your investments, without the fear of immediate financial ruin. We now reach the summit of financial freedom. This is where your investments and assets generate enough passive income to cover your living expenses on an ongoing basis. At this stage, you're no longer trading time for money. Rather, your money is buying you time and freedom to pursue your passions, to travel, or to simply relax and enjoy life. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of our journey, financial abundance. Here, you are more than just financially stable. You have more income than you're likely to ever require in your lifetime. This is the stage of wealth transfer, where you can consider how to share your wealth, whether it's leaving a legacy for your family or making a significant contribution to a cause you care about. In summary, the journey to financial abundance is a progression through stages of financial stability, security, flexibility, freedom, and ultimately abundance. It's a path that requires discipline, smart decisions, and a clear understanding of one's financial goals. But it's worth every step. Financial abundance isn't just about having wealth, it's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms, and the capacity to make a positive impact on the world around you. And that indeed is a journey worth embarking on.